babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video. Today we will be featuring CURLSQUEEN. Shout out to CURLSQUEEN for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I will be doing a sewing tutorial. We have two bundles of their Light Yaki. These are the thickest bundles that I have ever worked with. Bundles weigh about 150 grams each. So this is more than enough to achieve a full sewing. So I will be doing a center part. I haven't done a sewing tutorial in quite a while. I still do sewing on other people. I'm going to show you what hair I'll be leaving out as far as coverage. I will not talk through this whole tutorial because it's somewhat self-explanatory, but if anyone has any questions, be sure to leave it. Definitely want to mention that CURLSQUEEN is a brand that signifies women's beauty. Like if you see their videos here on YouTube, they particularly have like textured hair extensions. And I love that. I've came across like their clip-in videos, their micro links, tape-ins, and bundle wefts. But these bundles, all I gotta say is just at least click the link and look at it. With this tutorial, you're going to notice that when possible, I did not cut the weft, and that was because I wanted to preserve the hair. We'll be using these bundles to do other styles, so I tried not to cut the weft. Towards the end of the video, I will come back to talk about the styling. This is 18 inches and it looks really good, but it's something about the layers that really gives you a polished look. Like, it just completes the style. So I cut some layers into this and I went with the biggest barrel curling iron that I had, because that I know is going to give me super loose waves, and that's what I wanted. I did not want tight curls with this hair. So I threw some waves in there, and listen, this look, absolutely love it. Like, I love the way this looks. I did just dye my hair black, so there is dye on like my fingers and my nails, so in case you see that, that's what that is. But I love that I did dye my hair because it was the perfect match for the bundles. If I forgot to mention anything, or if you have any questions about the tutorial, drop that in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. Bye.